Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. My name is Trisha. So I quickly wanted to hop on here and show you guys two items that I picked up. So the first one is actually a little bit more recent, and it's this little SLG from Fendi. And I also picked up, you guys are not gonna believe me, but I actually bought this, I want to say sometime towards the end of, maybe, actually no, it was more so towards the end of summer of 2024, and it's still in a box because I honestly haven't gotten time to get to it. But I figured since I was going to open it today, I might as well do it on camera so I can show you guys what I got. So if you'd like to see my two items that I picked up, then please keep watching. Okay, so the first thing that I'm going to show you is my little item from Fendi. This one actually, I think I couldn't find it online anymore. I was eyeing this for the longest time. I tried to order it online and then it said like sold out, contact Nessa or something. So thankfully I do have one amazing essay. She works out of the Neiman Marcus in Dallas, I believe, somewhere in Texas. So she was actually finding this little piece for me, and I'm so happy she did because I was eyeing this. So let's see here. This is the baby little dust bag. So as you can probably tell, it is a card holder. And I ended up going for, right here, it is the Fendi Baguette card holder. So I love this. I wanted this in place of my little monogram key clay from Louis Vuitton because I've been using that for so long, and I actually wanted something that can hold a few cards because I do carry, like, I think 5 or 6 cards on a daily basis. So, and what I liked about this one is that look at it, it's so cute. Look at that. Super adorable. So I basically got this for, I mean, obviously the Zoka print, because you guys know I do have the baguette in this same color. I'll show you guys that for more eye candy. But I wanted this specifically because of this pouch right here, because for, you know, more storage, I can easily put in like any car keys or my house keys or anything that I want in there. I actually do carry a little baby Bible with me, so I can easily put that in there. It'll fit. And then it has more storage back here as well as here. And it's lined by this beautiful, like, the Fendi Zuka stripes, as you can see right there. It's very beautiful. I love it. I honestly, when I looked online, this color looked a lot more similar to the Fendi Baguette that I have in the Napa leather. But now that I look at it, it's more so very taupey. I'll show you both right now so you guys can see exactly what the color differences between the leather Fendi Baguette that I have, the color of that versus this color. Because online, I swear it had that same like tannish color, but this is a little bit more taupe, as you can see right there. But anyway, beautiful piece. I love it. I honestly bought it so you can go with both, but regardless, I'm going to use it. But yeah, this is the first piece. Let me grab the other two bags right now so I can quickly show you. All right, so here is my little Fendi with the Zuka print, and here is the wallet. Isn't that so cute? It's literally like a mommy and a little baby version. Adorable, right? And then here is my leather version. As you can see, this is the color that I thought it was going to be from the pictures online, but as you can see, slightly off, but not too bad now that I look at it. And I don't know if the camera is picking it up enough, but it is enough to say that there is a significant difference. Like I said, this is more like caramel tanny, and this is definitely more of a taupe color. But regardless, super cute piece. I will try to link it down below for you guys, because online when I looked at it, it said you actually have to contact your SA for it, and the one that I saw, the only one that was available in the country in stores, was the one in Boston, I think. But anyway, I'll link it down for you guys if you guys like it. So this is the first piece. Now let's hop on to the second piece, and it's this beautiful thing by Hermes. You guys can probably already know what I bought because I mentioned it on my last video, but you can probably also tell from the size of the packaging. So here we go. Oh my gosh, I can't even. I think it's been too long that the ribbon's stuck. So just gonna try to slide it through. You know, if you don't believe me that I did buy this in summer of 2024, I just noticed that this says 2024 right there. So aha, I have proof. So this is the little packaging it came in, and this is like, I think their little book on the leather. Sure. So that's a little book that it came with. Definitely not gonna read it in all honesty, but here. Totally upside down, but here you go. So it's the dust bag, and you guys obviously can tell what it is, and it is ready for this, you guys. Ta-da! So this is the Evelyn in the blue pale Etain color. So it's like this super light blue. Absolutely gorgeous. Wow. So you guys know I have a gray, it's not even gray actually. I have the E2 Evelyn. I'll grab that in a second as well. But oh my god, this color is so beautiful. Look at this. You can clearly see what's in there. So this is like my little light version, and I have the little darker Etude version as well. So, and the strap that comes with it is in its own separate dust bag, and it actually ended up coming with this beautiful gray strap right here, and it does have the blue pale Etain color on the strap right here. So here you go. You know what, actually, one of you guys actually commented and told me that the strap is shorter on the newer model, so I'm wondering if this is indeed a newer model. I did not try it on with the strap in store before I bought it, so I'll give you guys a quick little comparison with the one that I have. So let me go grab that really quickly. See, I stored it perfectly well in its box as well because it's so small, and I figured I'll just keep the box with it, and that's how I store it. And this is the Etude one that I have, and here is the blue pale Etain. So right there, you guys can see both are so adorable. You guys, Evelyn is a great bag. So before I rave about it further, let me get the strap so we can see if there's a difference or not. So here's the blue strap, and here is the gray strap. So let me just quickly line it up. Oh shoot. So it actually looks as though my older strap was actually shorter than the new one. Do you see that? I'm gonna have to try it on. I am only 5'2" on a good day, so we'll have to see how it looks on me. But it seems as though the older strap was shorter, so I definitely need to try that on. But either way, I love it. I knot it anyway because my torso is like this big, so I knot it, so that's how it works for me. But anyway, those were the two bags that I picked up. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you're new here, please do take a look at my older videos, and if you like something that you see, then please do consider subscribing to my channel because I would love to have you. But other than that, you guys, that's all for today. I'll see you right back here with another video very soon, okay? Hope you guys all have a lovely rest of the day, and I'll see you right here with another video very soon. Bye!